These breathtaking, the beauty of these breathtaking flowers has pulled us to capture in a camera. Even a kid has come. She's showing us a toy. This is a place full of nature's beauty. There is no limit to the nature's beauty here. The red colored roses, the white colored ones, the pinkish. Some are simply budding. A great spot, a tourist delight. This is the place known as Chandigarh, one of the best attractions in Chandigarh. Its name is Rose Garden. If you happen to come to Chandigarh, don't forget coming here to enjoy the nature.